Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you texturing, lighting and rendering in Maya, and at the minute I've got a plain scene that is using the standard Lambert texture that Maya will apply to objects that we create. If I just quickly change these, now previously I've shown you how to use the Hypershade window, create materials and do it that way. Here's a quick shortcut to doing the same process. So right click, come down to assign new material, and we can jump straight to the little window for our Hypershade window. Let's go to Maya, let's go to Lambert, and then straight away in the property view here we can change things. So let's just go to color, and I don't know, let's pick bright color. Hit done. This one, let's do the same thing, assign new material. This time we'll pick Blinn, and the reason I'm doing that is because I want a bit of reflectivity on this, a bit of shininess to it. Så yeah, something about Scottish there. Go to blue, and then let's bring up which one do we want? This one. So specular, and then specular roll off to get it really sort of shiny. Okay, and then on the floor, let's just do assign new material, Lambert, and I'll tell you what, let's do a texture instead here. So we'll do file and pick a different file. So what should we go for? Let's go for a seamless floor. I need to turn on my materials here, and I'm going to number 6. I need my Hypershade window for this, so I'm going to tile it. So Lambert 6, graph network, and then I can get to my place to texture. Let's just turn on materials in here. Why isn't that showing it? So let's just repeat it, I don't know, 20 by 20. Right. Weird. Right, okay, so let's do the same thing then. Let's go to render, view, and then hit render, see what it does. Okay, so you can see that we've got the texture in there. We've got a standard Lambert plain texture on this one, and then we've got a Blinn on this one, so it's a little bit shinier. Okay, so let's put some lights in. So to add lights to your scene, you want to go to create lights, and I'm going to just play about with a point light for now. Okay, and if I just bring this up and over, what you need to do to start seeing the effects of this is turn lights on in the scene. So if I turn that on straight away, you can see that we've got a bit more to play with here. And I don't know, let's go to this view, and let's go to render view, hit render, see what we get. Okay, so you can see that the light source is here, floating about here. We're getting the reflectivity on our Blinn, and we're getting shading where the light isn't been able to hit those faces. Let's turn shadows on as well, and see if that makes any difference. Okay, slightly, but not too much. Now this is because there are limitations to different renderers and the impact that lights will have with those renderers. So let's just save this one then, save the image, and do render 3. Hit save, and let's have a look at that one. So desktop, render 3. There you go. So This is using the standard materials in the standard Lambert texture materials that come with Maya, and it's using the Maya software renderer to export images. So have a play, apply some different materials, apply some basic lights in there, and see what you can achieve.